group today was composed of our SBU leaders and volunteers who represent the different functions in Cognizant: finance, operations, marketing.
Today was about building a robot car which actually can race. This is very much in our philosophy of the F1 race. We wanted to make sure that all the 4 teams can build robotic cars which race each other, and I think we were successful in doing that.
So it was an opportunity for us to work as a team, diverse members of different groups coming together and work together to build these robots for the kids.
Giving something back to the kids, STEM education, that's always been a passion of mine, and I think I'm also honored to have a team which believes in it.
I think we need to do more of this at Cognizant. It breaks down walls, it gets people out of their comfort zone, putting on different hats that they might not normally wear day to day, and gets them to work together in a new way.
It's about collaboration, about getting teams together, because teams which have fun always succeed. So that's the whole point, yeah.